How I make a Leo horoscope Pusheen cupcake. Get your favorite cupcake. Take a scoop of pink buttercream, place on cupcake, flatten buttercream onto parchment, refrigerate for 15 minutes. Peel off that parchment. Make any adjustments. Make a template. My printer was out of ink, and place parchment on there to make sure it's easy to pull off later. Type the eyes, mouth, whiskers. Outline the mane and tail with black. Once it's cooled, fill with a purple. When it's completely cooled, peel it off and add the ears. Now place the face details. And mane. And tail. Pusheen cupcake success. Tag your Leo horoscope friends. Happy birthday!